What's up, team Fullest? This is Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click off my channel. So let's start a new vlog, guys. I'm having issue with printer. I went ahead to buy a new printer. I have this printer at home, which I have to print some documents every month, or I need to print some documents, you know, some really important documents. Normally I used to go to the library, but because of the corona, the library has closed, and I have this printer at home that I bought a couple of, I think a year or two ago, but I wasn't using it that much. Okay, so now that the library is closed and I need to print some important documents, so I thought, okay, let me go and buy an ink for this printer because the ink was finished. I bought an ink and tried to print out with it. The printer is not just working. It's not working. We have been on it since last Friday. I have been on it and it's almost now since last Friday, I think. I don't know, I have the receipts of the ink I bought. I don't know where I threw that receipt, but I think I do have it somewhere in the house. I bought the ink, but yeah, since when? I bought the ink on the 6th of April, and I bought the ink for 52 euros and 99 cents, 53 euros. But the printer is not just working anymore. It's not just coming on anymore. So I decided to go and buy a new ink that I can use since the old printer is not working. Let me just get rid of this document first, because I do have some documents that I don't want it to come to be in the picture. So what I did is I went and buy some new printer, but I need to get rid of the old printer first. I'm in my bedroom that is not yet finished. Everything in this bedroom is finished. The only thing that hasn't yet been fixed is my bed. So let me put this phone here for a bit. So the only thing that has not been fixed is my bed. So I needed really to have a printer at home that I can print out my work stuff, like work. I can actually print some stuff from work, you know, for my work and everything. So I went ahead and buy this printer. I paid, I don't even know, where is the receipt? Oh. Welcome to Ami's life. Okay. I need to get all the receipts together, because you can declare everything back. So I paid 65 euros for the printer, and I have to buy ink because I got this. I need to buy ink, and I bought this ink. Each one costs 15 euros. I need two, because this one you get only black and this one you get with colors. So I bought two. So this is, and I need to keep this receipt because I need to print it out. I need to make a copy of the receipt, one for myself, one for, you know, your business file, portfolio, everything. So I went ahead and bought a new printer. So now the old printer, I'm going to bring it to the store because it's not just working. Everything was, I have people, a friend of mine who know more about computer. He came to the house and checked, and he was like, the printer is just not working anymore. You haven't used it for a long time and it's not just going on. So I was like, okay. So I had to go and buy a new printer. So this is the new printer that I went and bought. This one. And one thing I like about this one as well, you can connect it with your phone and you can easily print something out of your phone and it just printed. But just that I don't have space in my room to put it. It's actually, I want it to be in my room because it's my stuff, it's my work stuff. I want it to be in my room. I'm looking if I can put it like underneath this table, but I don't know. I don't actually know how this printer works. I don't know if you have to put a paper in here and everything. Maybe I'll just put it in my son's room because he have a space in his room, because that is where the old printer is. So I'm gonna put it in his room, but I'm still not yet done with this bedroom of mine. Actually, I'm still not done yet. Everything is done, just that the bed is not here. The bed is still not here. I have been doing a lot of stuff. I ordered some stuff from the Zara and Zalando. They are here. Let me go ahead and get this package. My son is in it right now at this. I'm just throwing stuff around. Right now at this moment, he's having a meeting for school. He's having a school because you know there is homeschooling, not homeschooling, but like the pandemic, everybody's like being homeschooling home. So he's having a lesson, online lesson. So I can't take the printer right now in his room, so I'm just leaving it here. And let me go and get my box that I just received, yeah, and let me give this girl her tablet before she will come and disturb me whilst I'm making my video. Let me just give this girl, let me go and get the stuff I got from the Zara. En ook oefenen met lezen. So, the girl is back. As you guys. So I ordered some stuff from Zara. I think this is my first time doing online. Let me remove my address, yeah. This is the first time online that I'm actually ordering stuff from Zara online. I normally go to the store, but these days you have to make appointments at the store, and most of the time that I am going to the city, I only go to the city like when I have something there to do. I don't leave my house and go to the city just to go and do shopping. If, for example, I have to buy stuff for the kids, then I will do that. When I need to shop for the kids, then I will leave my house and go to the city. Just removing my address so I can show you guys the box, because they just plaster your address on top of the box when they are shipping it. So my address is there, and I don't feel like you guys need to know where your girl is living. So this is the Zara box. This is I got from Zara, I got Mango, I got Zalando, and this is the package from Zalando. What is in here? I'm kind of, because Zalando is just, you know, the summer is coming. Ooh, I got this jacket. Actually, I wanted medium, but they didn't have medium because I wanted so badly, and it was almost out of store. So I decided to get the large one, the L. And what else? It's only 2 things. I don't know how these people ship things. And this white. That's it. I think I'm supposed to even get more stuff, but they're not here yet. So let's just put this back. I'm supposed to get more, but they are not here. And let's open the Zara, yeah. Let's see, where did I put the scissors? Welcome to Ami's life. You take something, and now, did I throw my scissors away? Let me show you guys what I get. I'm going to show you guys the room, but right now the room is a bit messy. I have boxes everywhere, so it's a little bit of a mess. Is it how you open it? Oh, like this. Okay, came in perfectly packed. Ooh, I don't want to mess this up, but let's just take. Oh yeah, I also ordered a shoe. Okay, I picked up this white pants. If you guys want to see how I style my outfits, follow me on Instagram, yeah? Follow me on my Instagram. I picked up this white pants, which is really, really nice. I love it. I picked this in medium, yeah? Yeah, medium. It's so soft. Wow. And I picked up this white top, you know, because the summer is coming. So you want something nice. I picked up this white top. Yeah, and I picked up this dress, this long white dress, which is beautiful. I'm gonna do a try on haul, but let's just wait first. And okay, let me just fold everything back. Yeah, I'm gonna do a try on haul on my other channel, which is AMIFULLEST Beauty. We're gonna do that try on haul. Let's just do this first, and let's look. I also got a shoe. Oh, I also got a slipper. This is my first time actually buying this kind of slippers. I got this in size 41. This is my first time buying this kind of slippers. I never buy. I don't even think I have something like this. Let me try it on there. Oh, it fits. I'm having socks on right now. Let me show you guys how this looks. One thing I have to say, excuse the bedroom. How can I? Okay, let me just flip the camera. Let me just flip the camera around. So guys, this is what the shoe is look. This is my first. I have such a big foot. This is the reason why I don't like to wear sandals or slippers like this, but I thought, you know what, I wanted to have something like this. And being a mom, I don't want something with a very tiny heel. I want something very simple. So I thought this would be so beautiful. I got this in March, size 41. Actually, my shoe size is size 40, but because this is slippers, I want it to fit very well, so I thought size 41 would be really nice. And it looks really nice. You guys can see the room. It's a mess. A lot of boxes, a lot of shoes. So yeah, this is so nice. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so cool. It's really cool. So you guys can see the room. This is how the room is looking like. Yeah, this is the bed. I still have my bed on the ground. Everything has set. I still have to eat breakfast. Yeah, my breakfast is still there. And here, you know, this is makeup set. I have my bed. So what I did, I pushed the wardrobe this side, so at least when I want to do selfies, I can stand. Oh yeah, I'm still wearing these slippers. I can still stand here and do my selfies. So that's the reason why I pushed this closet to this side. And here I have the rest of the stuff. So here I have my makeup. I'm happy that I put my perfume this side, because when my daughter will come upstairs, because the perfume thing was almost in front of the door, she will take it and spray it. So I've warned her, and now I have it here. And so here is just some clothes and everything. So let me show you guys what this closet. Okay, let me remove this shoe here, because I really can't. Ooh. I really can't walk. So this is the mess that I'm having right now. I bought a lot of stuff for the summer. I've been cleaning my wardrobe. You know, as you get older, your style, taste kind of change. So this is what the wardrobe is looking like. This is the part where I only hang clothes. So this drawer, I put it in here. I have like my undies. No, not my undies, like bra, sport bra, head ties, panties, and all stuff. And here I just have some random stuff. And here I have all my skincare products. This thing, I put it here because whenever I do my makeup and I'm washing my makeup brushes, I put my makeup brushes in here. So I didn't want to put it on top of the makeup table. Reasons why I put here. These are my face products. Deo hand cream, my deodorant. I don't use normal deodorant, so I have to mix certain things together to get my own deodorant. Face products, body cream, some of this, and here's just random stuff. So this is how this is looking like, and these are just all of my clothes, the ones that can hang, and the rest they're all in the other in here. But this is just what this wardrobe is looking like. It looks really nice, very organized. So yeah, so now the closet is turning right. You have enough space between the closet and the door, so the door can widely open, has no issue with that. But I feel like here you can have time to do some selfies, because when the closet were already there, it was just too choke. And this other part of the closet, I have to stand on top of the bed. So this side is actually empty right now. There's nothing in here. But this is what it's looking like. Also have organizers where you can put your undies, bra, and other stuff. Maybe there are some PJs. but this is empty, and then you can have some stuff lying down, and you can hang some stuff. So I already have like hangers. On top of that, I just have all some of the stuff that I don't use all the time. I don't feel like I need to put them in the wardrobe. Some bags there, bags that go from AliExpress, some hats, stuff, and here there's my cameras, accessories for my YouTube thing, and this is just empty. Here's just some socks that I got and I still need to organize them. There's some old socks I'm trying to organize and get some, because there's some socks there that has been I have some socks that I have been using for the past 7-8 years and they're still in there, and I need to kind of clean up. That's the reason why you guys see me buying so many stuff, because I'm kind of cleaning up my wardrobe and get rid of the things that I don't use, I don't wear. Kind of also change my style, you know, changing my makeup, my outfit, branding myself, changing stuff, because as you get older, I'm going to be 29 this year, and I just want to change certain things. You know, you just want to wear things that you don't only buy, because before I used to go and buy but clothes. You buy very cheap things, very cheap, and then you end up you wear them, and then they don't end up lasting for a very long time because they're so cheap. So now I'm like, you know what, maybe spend a little bit of coin and buy good quality things, not good quality things, and then you can use them for a very long time. Because I've noticed that some of the stuff that I bought, which are very good quality, they were a little bit expensive, up to now they still look good. And I bought a lot of stuff from Zalando, and because not sometimes you can get a really good designer brand on Zalando, but you have to wait for the discount, because that is what I always do. I wait when they have discounts, and I pick on that. I always have my Zalando wish list full of stuff that I really like, and then if they have discounts, I just buy them. So that's just how I do things on Zalando, and so far it has been really working. But yeah, I've just show you guys the entire room. I'm still gonna eat something. I haven't eaten anything, so this is just boxes of stuff that I have here, and I still do have more coming, because as you guys can see, my closet is nothing. Here there's just some jackets. So this is how I've organized all my jackets, all stuff that I wear, and I just organize it there, stuff like that. And it's very simple. But when the bed is here, I will come and give you guys a full room tour. But for now, this is what I'm dealing with. I'm still sleeping in the other room. So this room is where I just work, I take shower, and is where I dress up after taking shower. But when it comes to sleeping, I still sleep with the kids. And hopefully by the end of this month, I will get my bed this week or next week. I will get my bed, and I'll just come back to my bedroom, because this for me is like a bedroom. It's my workspace, it's my comfort zone. So I really want it to be some things that I really like. So yeah, that's it. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Some of you guys who have been like, have you finished with the room? We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Almost, Team Fullest, yo. Almost on 1,000 subscribers. I am super proud of myself. It is difficult having 3 channels and having to run all 3 of them, having to create content for all 3 of the channel. It is very challenging, and I'm so happy. I'm very grateful that AMIFULLEST live vlog is almost on 1K. We got the watch time long time ago. So guys, if you're watching this video and not a subscriber, please make sure you hit on the subscribe button, be part of the Team Fullest family, and let's reach the 1K subscriber together. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you all on my next video. Let me clear up this mess, and let's me and my son go ahead and fix this printer, because I needed to print some documents. Yeah, what do you guys think of my nails? You know, and I also bought some Q-Tex, because I bought the slippers because I need to do my foot. So I'm going to be doing some pedicures and manicures at home self. You know, I really love this sandal. It's so cool. Whoa, it's really beautiful. It's really nice. I can't wait to pair this with a nice outfit and go out and have fun with the kids. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.